Hi! In front of me is Honor 7X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Honor device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now select the screen lock and password, tap on password over here and pick one of those login methods, like pattern. Then enter it and repeat it. When you're ready, choose finished at the bottom right corner. And now when I go back, turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!